news source when we feel like it. You need to get your news from social media. We are here for you. GDN Networks, your news, our story, whenever.
Sean Carpenter reporting live here for the GDN Storm Center Network. As you can see here, I'm reporting live from my bunker in Southern California, having not been able to get back in time to shovel any snow, but thank God I have my fresh fruit here that came off the tree. Certainly nobody back east has got any of that going on. In fact, I mean, you probably can't even get into the supermarkets. I did finally find a flight. I can get back out there very, very soon, and I'll be able to report live from some of the big snow drifts that are out there.
Is it bad?
Not really that bad.
What do you think that President Obama has anything to do with this storm?
President Obama is a simpleton.
Out here in California, there's two big stories. Number one story is about how crazy it is in the Northeast with all this snow. Yet they're also getting snow here in some of the higher elevations, which is a huge problem because most people out here in California on a regular day don't know how to drive. Add some snow to that, it's just absolute and utter pandemonium. The second story is about a manhunt going on for a guy, a cop killer, who's a former cop, and that's really occupying all of the news. And so it's really weird to see all these news stories coming together at the same time, and the fact that there's a snowstorm going on in the same area that they're looking for this cop killer, scumbag, up in Bear Lake here in California. Back in the Northeast, though, looks like things are looking up for the week after a little storm tomorrow. Weather Channel's calling it Orko, which I think the Weather Channel should stop going cuckoo and stop naming storms. But whatever. I'm going to be back there. I'm going to be reporting live. I'm going to be giving you everything I got because we here believe in the Pandemonium Radio Network. Back to you.